In a decade from now, swarms of unmanned Indian-made drones could enter enemy airspace, fly autonomously to their target, and use their advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to seek out and launch coordinated attacks on targets such as the Jaish-e-Mohammed terror training camp in Balakot. This isn't science fiction. A team of engineers and software experts at state-run Hindustan Aeronautics and New Space Research and Technologies, a Bengaluru-based startup, are working furiously to make this happen. The drones that you're about to see have a name. They're called Alpha S, or Air-Launched Flexible Asset Swarm. These are swarming drones. Now, project managers who develop these drones tell us this is the future of aerial warfare. With the increasing maturity of artificial intelligence, smart drones like the ones that you are seeing over here will be able to at least partially replace pilots in some of the most dangerous missions. Now, the Alpha S swarming drones, these ones have two folding wings. They are between 1 and 2 meters long. The drones deploy these wings on being launched, and they're powered by a battery which propels them to speeds of more than 100 kilometers per hour. The batteries do last a few hours, by which time the drone swarms should be approaching their targets. Now, the drones are fully networked with each other through electronic data links. If they sense some danger, they avoid it. Now, using the sensors, the drones actually can target enemy radars, aircraft on the ground, and surface-to-air missile units as well. Each drone is designed to be smart enough to learn about what it detects before targets are assigned to individual drones. Each drone then carries out a suicide attack. It hits the target, which is destroyed by high explosive warheads on board. Now, the US, China, Russia, and a few European countries are in the process of developing the first elements of their swarm drone strike packages, but this is technology that no one will share with India. Drone warfare is a reality now, and this technology being built in India is a part of that future.